$6,000 a month on Autopilot? Want to earn $6,000 every month on Autopilot? Sound enticing, doesn't it? Well, buckle up because I have got some insider tips on how you can achieve just that using a popular platform completely for free. With this platform, you can receive payments in various methods, bypassing the limitation of PayPal. But that's just the beginning. Let me show you the ropes of this money-making machine called Cryptomus and how it can help you rake in those dollars effortlessly. Cryptomus is the platform that's going to help us earn over $66,000 every month on Autopilot. But before I show you how you can earn money with Cryptomus, I would like to first introduce Cryptomus to you so that you can make the most amount of money using these tools. Cryptomus is a cryptocurrency payment gateway that helps you to send and receive cryptocurrencies using its efficient and fast blockchain technology. You can use Cryptomus for both business and personal use. For example, if you have a website where you can sell stuff, you can integrate Cryptomus with your website to receive the crypto payment. And also you can use it for personal use to store your cryptocurrencies for sending and receive different cryptocurrencies and much more. Basically, it's all-in-one solution that provides users with everything they need to get started in the world of crypto. Not only that, you can also receive payment in dollars and euros or in any other cryptocurrency using Cryptomus. As you can see, Cryptomus partner Mercurio allows your client to pay via flats with Visa or MasterCard. Cryptomus is one of payment gateway you can use Cryptomus on your computer or laptop device and on your smartphone device. I personally use it for my other online businesses that operate through website, and it's really the best mode of payment for personal purposes and for your online business purposes. All of us should have a Cryptomus account for doing safe and secure online transactions, and create your Cryptomus account today. Cryptomus is available worldwide and you can use it from any country around the world. It's completely free to use Cryptomus and you can earn over $6,000 for completely free using it. And the reason behind its popularity is it's only one commission structure. They don't have any hidden charges, no additional integration commission, no withdrawal commission, and no subscription or monthly usage commission. They just take a 2% commission per transaction that you receive as your new merchant user when you use the business wallet. But you can contact the team to lower it to just 0.4% per transaction, which is really awesome. And for the personal wallet, they just have a commission and P2P exchange and a fee of the network. The Autocon Convert feature allows you to convert all incoming payment to the currencies you prefer, which helps to protect you from loss of volatility in the price of different cryptocurrencies. Cryptomus provides a fast and secure transaction facility because each and every transaction is securely tracked by the blockchain network. The good thing is that if a Cryptomus user transfers any payment to you, you won't be charged any fees, and that's really amazing. And if you have an online business that you want to any website, Cryptomus will help you get more conversion on that website, which will ultimately increase your revenue. One more great thing about Cryptomus is that they don't charge any withdrawal fee from the users. Of course, there's some network fees that depend on which cryptocurrency you are trying to send and how busy the network are. But they don't actually charge any fee from the users. Not only that, you can also set up automatic withdrawal from your personal account to any wallet by assigning a period currency and a network. You can also send mass payout to thousands of addresses with flexible automatic conversion in just one moment, which really a great feature that one can use to save a lot of time and effort. Now, down here, you can also see the different network available on Cryptomus and the fee when you click on this drop-down icon on a specific network. So now, the second step is to register yourself on Cryptomus because the more knowledge and experience you have about this platform, the more money you are going to make with it. So just click where it says sign up, and that's going to take you to this page where you can just enter your email ID, create a strong password for your account, check this term and privacy policy box, and press create account. You will receive a verification code on your email ID to log in into your Cryptomus account. So once you log in into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. So here you can see your personal wallet and your business wallet, and on this section you will be showing all transactions related to your wallet. Now, if you want to receive cryptocurrency payment, all you have to do is click on the receive from here. Then just select cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, I want to receive the BNB currency, so I will select it from here. Next, I will just select the network for my currency, which is the BSC network in this case. After that, I just need to scroll down a little bit, and here I can see the address to receive BNB currency to my account, which I can copy from here, and I can share the same with the sender. Just like this, you can withdraw any currency from here. Now, if you want to convert any currency in your wallet, you can do so by clicking on this convert option right here. Then you can select the currency you want to convert in this box. Next, you can select the currency you want to convert it into. You can enter the amount of currency you want to convert right here, and you can easily convert the currency from here. Now, let me show you how the business wallet works here. So here you can see all transactions from your merchant, and first of all, you need to add a merchant if you have any. For example, you are running a drop shipping or drop servicing store, you are providing online services through your website, etc. So you can just click on this plus icon over here, and you can enter the name of your merchant in this box and just click create a merchant. As you can see, you successfully add a new merchant, and you can close this pop-up from here. So now you can see all your merchant on the left hand side. For example, you want to integrate your newly created merchant Cryptomus account with your website. All you have to do is to select the merch from here and click on setting from the above. Just make sure API integration is select right here, and then scroll down a little bit, and here you want to make sure that the website option is selected, unless you want to connect your Telegram bot to it. Then just paste your website URL in this box, write a simple description about your website, and click the submit button right here. It will show you 3 ways to confirm your domain, and I will recommend you to use the meta tag method to confirm your website. So just select it from here, and it will give you a code that you have to put in the head tag of your website, and then click on this check button to confirm your website. And your API integration will be complete successfully. One more important thing is that you can set up an auto convert setting on your merchant payment, which will protect you from the loss arising from the volatility of the price of different currencies. So for example, if you want the Cryptomus to automatically convert the BNB currencies you receive through your merchant into the USDT currencies, all you have to do is to select this icon next to BNB currency and select the USDT from there. Now, you just need to turn on the auto convert option next to it. And from now on, all the BNB currencies you receive through this particular merchant will be automatically converted into USDT in your Cryptomus business account. Cryptomus provides you with a white label crypto payment gateway. This means that you can add your website branding to all of the steps of the payment processing on your website through Cryptomus. So you can upload your logo for it to appear on your payment page instead of the Cryptomus logo. You can mask Cryptomus domain name with your company domain name, etc. And the good thing is that you get all of this at no extra cost other than the 0.4% commission fee on your incoming transaction, which is just awesome. Cryptomus also provides you with the crypto processing, which means you can create your own crypto exchange using Cryptomus. And you can also create your own crypto gateway with the help of Cryptomus and much more. You can see a map on the screen depicting exactly how all the crypto processing works using Cryptomus. And for this, you can contact the team to help you to set up everything with ease. Now, step number 3, to earn money with Cryptomus, all you have to do is to select the personal wallet from here. Then you need to click on your profile icon and select the setting option from there. Now, on this page, I want you to click on the referral program from there. That's going to show you that you can invite clients on Cryptomus and you can earn 30% of commission on the payment commission earned by Cryptomus to your client. So for example, if you refer 10 clients to Cryptomus using your link, which you can find right here, and you can copy the link by pressing this button. And if all of those 10 clients have done transactions worth $1 million in a month, the Cryptomus will earn a 2% commission on the transaction, which become $20,000, and you earn 30% of Cryptomus earnings from your clients. That is, you earn $66,000 on complete Autopilot every month for as long as your client keep earning close to $1 million every month altogether. And to find client, you can go over to Google and search for website developers in top tier countries like the United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and the United Kingdom. And you will be shown different websites on the search result page of Google. All you have to do is to open up those sponsored websites because they are already spending money on acquiring clients, so they will be more likely to integrate Cryptomus into the website. Once you open up any website, I want you to search for the contact email address on the site, and I want you to send them an email promoting the Cryptomus in a friendly way with your referral link in that email. And for this, you can take help of ChatGPT because why not? Even if you get 20 clients who earn over $50,000 a month, they will together do transaction over $1 million on Cryptomus every month. This means you will be earning over $6,000 every month on complete Autopilot after referring them once. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money making tips. And while you are at it, why not watch the next video on our YouTube channel for even more insider insight. See you there. Thank you for watching. Peace.